Hello, welcome to Hangzhou ARTang instrument. Today I'm going to introduce our integrated electromagnetic flow meter, specialized designed for measuring conductive liquids. It's especially suitable for water and wastewater applications, such as industrial water, drinking water, and sewage. The normal diameter ranging from 10 to 3000 millimeters is built to handle a wide variety of working conditions.
Symmetrical electrode installation, electrode material polish, 4 electrode structure, 2 grounding electrodes. Multiple process connections available, including flange, tri-clamp, and insertion. Welded joint design, seamless, smooth, and fully sealed. Certificates, CE certificate, CE certificate, etc.